Hello, everyone! A cozy, well-organized kitchen not only makes cooking more fun, but it also makes the house a nice place for family and guests to hang out. You can make your kitchen a clean, useful space that still feels welcoming with a little planning and smart organization. These ideas for organizing your kitchen will help you get the most out of the space you have. They range from making the most of storage space to giving tools and spices their own places. Whether you have a small or big kitchen, these tips will help you make it a place where everything has a place and everything works well. Maximize cabinet space. Making the most of the cabinet room in the kitchen can make a big difference. A better way to store cooking essentials is with adjustable shelves, pull-out racks, and drawer organizers. Deep cabinets might benefit from having pull-out shelves added so that pots, pans, and other cooking tools are easy to get to. This will not only make your counters look better, but it will also help you find things faster. Everything has a place in a well-organized cabinet system, which makes the kitchen more useful and easy to get to. You can store small things like lids or kitchen tools by adding hooks or over-the-door organizers, which makes the area more useful. Declutter countertops. One easy way to make the kitchen feel cozy is to keep the counters clear of anything that isn't needed. Only put things on your counter that you need, like a coffee maker or cutting board, that are necessary. You can make the kitchen feel bigger and less crowded by getting rid of small tools, stacks of paper, and decorations that aren't being used. Instead of leaving everything out, you could store things in cabinets or boxes. This easy step can help make your kitchen a more relaxing and inviting place to cook and have guests over, without all the extra stuff getting in the way. Use vertical space. When the room is tight in the kitchen, vertical storage is a lifesaver. Put up shelves or racks that hang from the ceiling in your kitchen to hold things like pots, cutting boards, and even herbs. A spice rack that is attached to the wall can make drawers and cabinets more usable. Hooks or pegs can also be used to hang things like pots, towels, or aprons. Another great way to save cabinet room and keep frequently used items close at hand is to hang your pots and pans from a ceiling rack. Vertical storage is a great way to keep your kitchen neat and nice to look at. Organizers for drawers. Organizing your drawers is an important part of keeping your kitchen clean. To make things easier to find when you need them, they help you sort and separate gadgets, dishes, and small kitchen tools. Organizers can be used to keep measuring spoons, tongs, and spatulas all in order. For silverware, you can even buy drawer inserts or dividers that will keep your drawers from getting cluttered. You won't have to dig around in drawers to find that small cooking tool or utensil if they are well organized. This will keep your kitchen clean and save you time. Lazy Susan for corner cabinets. Because the corners are hard to get to, corner cabinets can be hard to order. A Lazy Susan is the best way to make the most of this room. Adding a moving shelf makes it easy to get to things that are stored in these awkward spots. This is especially helpful for keeping things like spices, jars, and canned goods that are hard to get to in regular corner cabinets. Lazy Susans make it easy to organize things so that no room is wasted. There is an easy and quick way to use every inch of your kitchen with them. Baskets for pantry storage. Putting your dry goods in baskets in your closet is a great way to keep them organized and easy to get to. Marked baskets are a neat way to store snacks, grains, canned foods, and baking tools in the pantry. This way, things that are similar stay together, which makes it faster to find what you need. You can stack baskets or put them on shelves to store them. This makes them mobile and easy to move. Putting labels on them helps keep things organized and makes it easy for everyone to find what they need. With baskets, your pantry can be used as a well-organized storage area, which saves time and clears up the room. Over-the-door storage. Over-the-door storage is a good way to make use of room in your kitchen that would otherwise be wasted. On the back of cabinet doors, you can hang baskets or hooks to hold small kitchen items like spices, dish towels, or cleaning tools. This makes them easy to get to without putting them on the counters, which saves room. In small kitchens, where space is limited, over-the-door storage is ideal. To make room for bigger things, you can hang bins for things like foil, plastic wrap, and even cutting boards. It's a simple and cheap way to make your kitchen have more storage space. Utilize drawer dividers. If you want to keep your kitchen drawers clean and organized, you need drawer dividers. You can separate things like cutlery, kitchen tools, and small electronics with these simple but useful boxes. This way, everything stays where it belongs. With dividers, you can give each thing its own space, which makes it easier to find what you need quickly. Whether you're putting away knives, spoons, or other cooking tools, drawer dividers make your kitchen cleaner and more organized. Because they are movable, you can fit different things in them as needed, which makes them a versatile way to store things. Stackable containers. To keep dry goods and pantry items in order, you need bins that can be stacked. You can store things like pasta, cereal, and rice in these containers without taking up valuable cabinets and pantry rooms. There are different sizes of stackable bins, which makes it easy to keep everything in order and get to what you need when you need to. Pick containers that are clear so you can see what's inside at a glance, and name them so they are easy to find. These containers keep your pantry clean and make it easier to find fixings by reducing the amount of stuff that's lying around. Conclusion: getting your kitchen organized can make it more useful, efficient, and comfortable. You can make the most of the space you have and keep everything in order with clever storage ideas like vertical space, box dividers, and over-the-door storage. No room is wasted when you use baskets to organize the pantry or a lazy Susan in corner cabinets. A clean kitchen not only makes your home look better, but it also makes cooking and other daily jobs more fun. By using these cozy kitchen organization ideas, you can make your kitchen a warm and useful space where everything is organized and easy to find. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe the channel.